This right here is the Canon R6 Mark III. Now, how did I get my hands on one so early? Well, that's a bit of a secret. But putting secrets aside, let's take this out for a spin and see what the image quality actually looks like when put in real-world use. Well, alright, just like with my R6 II, I'm shooting with my Sigma 135mm 1.8 EF mount with the Canon EF to RF adapter. Autofocus is fast and confident even at f1.8. The pairing feels seamless. The new 32.5 megapixel full-frame sensor delivers a clear step up in resolution. Fine details in trees and leaves hold together even deep into the frame. At wide apertures, the bokeh from the 135mm stays beautifully smooth. The higher pixel count helps the transition from focus to blur feel more defined, giving scenes a natural depth. It's sharp where it needs to be and cleanly rendered everywhere else. Dynamic range holds strong. Highlights stay under control, shadows lift cleanly, and noise remains fine-grained. Files recover well in post, whether you're grading video or refining RAWs. Color response is balanced and consistent. Greens, browns, and blues look true to life. There's a touch more separation and depth, giving landscapes extra dimension straight out of camera. Now, some of these images that I've taken have been post-processed just in Lightroom, but I also included some SOOC straight out of camera images so you can compare a little bit at home. And I have to say the added resolution gives flexibility. You can crop tighter for stills or punch in for 4K video without losing integrity. That hybrid strength really makes this body versatile for mixed photo and video projects outdoors. So my first impressions, the R6 Mark III sensors bring more detail, smoother range, refined rendering, a confident update to Canon's hybrid line. Paired with the Sigma 135, it delivers crisp, dimensional images that can handle light beautifully. No flash, no hype, just solid natural performance in real conditions. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. It means more than you know. And it helps me, a smaller channel, in this big YouTube world, grow just a little bit larger. Thank you so much.